Currently, there's no evidence that pets can spread COVID-19 to people or that they might be a source of infection. However, pets have other coronaviruses that can make them sick. Did you know that? Joining me right now is James Spicer, veterinarian, talking more about this. People are so fascinated by this. So nice to see you. Doctor, let's start with, what do people need to know about coronaviruses in pets? First, we heard that animals couldn't get it. Then we started hearing a couple stories of cats getting it. And now I think it was last week we talked about this pug dog. Let's just kind of start there with what we need to know.
Well, the important thing is coronaviruses are a family of viruses. And even the common cold virus in people is a coronavirus. So coronaviruses are around and they affect different species, but they're different coronaviruses. Dogs have a coronavirus that we vaccinate for that really causes vomiting and diarrhea. It doesn't cause a respiratory disease. Cats have a couple of coronaviruses, one that's really a pretty severe disease called feline infectious peritonitis that causes, again, they get fluid in their abdomen and in their chest and so forth. That is a serious disease, but it's not COVID-19. And they also get a coronavirus in their intestine as well. Cats do, that causes, some diarrhea and can also cause vomiting. But the fact is that there have been there were cats at the Bronx Zoo, lions and tigers and so forth, that did have a cough, and they did test them for COVID-19, and they did find them to be positive. But the thing is that the curator that was taking care of them had coronavirus. So, and the same thing with the pug dog in North Carolina. It also tested positive, but it so happens that it was owned by a pediatrician and a researcher at the University of North Carolina Hospital, and their whole family had coronavirus. And then the dog had a little soft cough, and the researchers, they were in a research project, and the researchers said, oh, well, let's test the dog. And they tested the dog, and they found it to be positive, but the dog didn't get sick. So really, there's a very well-known veterinary lab that's tested over 4,000 pets in Asia and in the United States, and they found no positive COVID-19 results. So it appears that, dogs and cats can perhaps harbor the virus, but they really don't get sick, and they don't pass it to us. So those folks that are thinking, oh, geez, we need to get rid of our dog because, it might pass COVID-19 to our grandpa or whatever that's in the household. That's just not happening. Pets really do not carry and give the virus to people. It seems like people are causing the pets the risk.
Yeah, but not actually getting sick. Dr. Spicer, we sure do appreciate your knowledge and your information. We'll see you soon. And for a list of services and educational opportunities at Indy Vet Emergency and Specialty Hospital, you will find that at fox59.com/links.